Do you want to unarchive post on Instagram? You can unarchive photos on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unarchive a post on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Now, in the top right corner of your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines menu. A new menu screen appears. Scroll down and select Archive. If you see the Archive Stories, tap on the drop-down menu at the top and select Posts Archive. These are all the archived posts, including pictures and real videos. Browse through the archived posts and tap on the one you want to unarchive. Once the post is open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A pop-up menu appears. From the options, select Show on Profile. Lastly, confirm by selecting Show on Profile from the pop-up menu that appears. Now, go back to your profile, and you'll see the unarchived post restored to its original position on your profile.